They're saying, you know what? Banger. Go for it. Alright, here we go. We got Rob, We Fit Luigi, Greninja, DK, and Wolf. This is gonna be a fun one. What the fuck are y'all talking about? Anyways, starting the game, we got Rob and Wolf out. Pew pews. Fuck yeah, I love pew pews. Oh, fishing. Misses. The 0 to death. That could have actually been stuck, low-key, but it's fine. Cuban getting right back off of ledge. Oh, nice gyro and laser, taking stage. Good shine coming from Holmes. And this could be... Oh, okay, nice air dodge, avoiding that Rob there. That's so much priority. This could definitely be... this could go either or. Holmes getting the stock VSDs. Fortunate. We got We Fit out with Greninja. We Fit starting off with deep breathing. Nice forward throw. Missing that forward air. Alright, Holmes trying to burst in right now. Getting the forward air. Oh, missing the up air drag down, but it doesn't matter. It's still getting good damage. Oh, Cuban stuck in the corner. Okay. Going for that F smash, missing it. Nice dash attack as well. Another forward throw. Missing that back air. I'm surprised he's not getting deep breathing right now. If anything. Oh, going off really deep. Oh wait, that could be it. Oh, missing. I was gonna smash. That's fine. Still going deep. He wants him gone. Oh, missing the ledge trump. That would have been a good mix-up. I don't know what he could really do there. Oh, going for the dash attack with the down throw, not getting anything. Just another hit. Nice. Oh, back here not hitting. Unfortunate. Still knocking him right back off. Nice forward air. Now I think we finally got a time to reset. Cuban putting on the pressure. Okay. Good soccer ball. Holmes has ledge, but immediately gets reversal. Good counter. Oh, going for the down air. Surprised he lived. And nice up throw, finally sealing up the stock. No more deep breathing to deal with. Oh, Holmes trying to space out. Beating the Luigi back air instead, and now Luigi gets the ledge trap. Lots of airs, lots of dares. Nice down air to end that stock. Oh, DK Luigi. Okay. Wait. Holmes chilling out. Gets the trip. Okay. Back air. This could be... Oh, okay. Knocks him back. That was just... Wait. 2, 3, 4. That could be it. No, it's not. But it's still really good damage. Down throw. Yep. Yeah, that kills. Is it really? I don't know. They're not cooking. They're not cooking with those statements, in my honest opinion. But that's okay. All right, game 1, finishing off strong. Oh, not the 5v5. Please no. Why did it start off with random? Yeah, that happened last time, right? I don't know why it starts off with the random. All right, it's looking like the same lineups. Yep. Same lineups to start out. Here we go. Starting up. What's our lineup? Luigi first. Okay. Luigi, Rob, We Fit, Greninja, DK, Wolf. Okay. I respect that. Alright, I'm curious how Greninja Luigi's gonna go. I feel like Greninja can definitely use a... Oh. Or maybe not. Oh, misses the up B. Unfortunate. Alright, nice up tilt. I thought I was saying, I think Greninja... What?! Why? Misfire sealing that out. We're restarting with DK Luigi. Alright, okay, down throw. Missing that down air. What's up, Jake Fox? Welcome to Fox. Oh, I get the up B. Alright. So much in lag.
Okay, 1-0 Devin. Devin lost to Lynn, so
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
this is their first time playing at this. Squads has been fun. Somehow Ness has been my worst character, so. But anyway,
Pop.
there,
There. Okay. Not getting anything off.
All right. I mean, this is
Okay.
all right.
Finally.
I mean, Devin got this far with his main. Holmes will have to do
1, 2.
the same and more.
I scored, so I think this stock should go pretty well, unless I lied. Oh,
I mean,
okay.
it really depends on how Holmes reacts off stage.
Yeah,
Because obviously Rob can go way deeper and can do more things.
there's so many things left to do. And like, that's not even counting like gyro related. Look at that. Missing that F smash.
All right.
Could be it?
That
No, waiting. Probably gonna go for it.
okay,
Oh.
trading but not die.
Yeah, not the strong one.
All right. One last hit for Devin. Volley. Oh.
Ooh, the call out. That was nice. Hold on.
That's the type of thing that looks nice, but there's a very real chance he just did that to like
Just to do
do
it.
it. I do that sometimes.
Hey, it's either or, man.
But
It's wrong.
listen. We always give the winner the if it works it was intentional and it was awesome.
True. No bias allowed. Is this the same lineups? Yes, it is. Who's going out first?
Greninja, I haven't seen much of the Holmes Greninja. I'm not gonna lie.
It's nice. I like it. It helps. Holmes relies a lot on really slicky movement. I think Greninja pairs well with that. Same with how his pressure works.
I've really only seen the DK and the Wolf.
Oh yeah, no, they've been cleaning house today, but I'm not sure about at the moment. Uh-oh. 1, 2, 3. This is the downer?
Alright.
Okay, getting the grab. Surprised he didn't just go for cargo up throw.
Yeah, cargo up throws. He did like back air at 0.
Oh, he's
And that
going
is-
deep. That could
He has the
kill,
jump
dude.
though, so he's fine. It depends on whether or not he can keep it going.
Yup.
Back air, how do you do?
Oh, missing the hand slaps. Hitting that. Why is he going for the
Okay,
misfires? I guess it fits his tag, if anything.
Nair, back air.
Yup.
Yo,
Hand slap.
Eli thinks that Devin needs to
Oh.
rip up Bs more, just like Nair up B, up tilt up B, stuff like that.
Yeah, no. That's like one of the scary parts about Luigi. It's like, okay, 0 to death out of that window, but you're not really.
Tried for the back air down.
Whoa, good giant punch. Damn, border almost hitting. That would have been good either way.
Does
Spike
DK have a nil? I feel like I would have seen it on Twitter.
a what?
A way to nil onto the stage and then just giant punch from there.
Yes, I've seen Chunky post nil stuff on Twitter. It's possible. There's also the I forgot what it was. Oh, okay. Doesn't matter though, cause we got Greninja Cookie.
The turbo teabag as well.
He knows what's
Seems
up.
a little unnecessary, but
Hey, no, let him cook.
when you're down
He's
2-0,
doing well.
when you're down
Oh,
2-0,
hang on.
you let him cook. Yeah. You just have to see if Devin can get back into it, really.
Okay, this is go. Oh no! And then he roll. Wait, I thought he was gonna down air or some shit. After
Gyro, harder
Bop.
to pick up than Game 1.
true. Oh, going for the shadow sneak. Really trying to get this stock over
Back
with.
airs.
Missing the ledge drum. Wait. Oh no! Up smash. Going for the down airs too. Going for the back airs? I don't know about that. It's definitely still checkable there. Nice. Using the water shuriken. Get rid of the.
Yeah, down.
Yep.
Over there. And Game 4?
Yep. Game 4. Holmes. Pretty high. What the fuck is Devin saying? I'm just confused at the noises you make. It's not my fault. awesome. Okay. Oh. Yeah. Okay, same lineups. Who's going out first? I think you might say Luigi. No. Okay, Luigi second. Wolf first. I respect that. That's a banger choice. Who's last? Oh, DK's last.
DK put in a lot last time, so anchoring with him.
3, 2,
That'd be a good idea.
1.
I know this is Dev's favorite stage.
Uh-oh, alright. We fit already start trying to cheese. What the hell? He's hitting something. 69% already? That's insane. Going for the F smash. He wants him dead. Holy shit.
Maybe not too. But yeah, with deep breathing you do so much.
Yeah, it's so good. Going for the down air. I'm surprised he didn't try to down air Holmes. Yup. Okay, good down tilt. Oh, that was a smart idea. Maybe down tilt.
Yeah, and I mean this is Holmes' best character normally, so.
Yup. Trying to get that slingshot there. Oh. Oh, barely missing. It's kind of scary right now. He doesn't want to trade, and he's not at the moment going deep. Once I'm gone. Okay, good soccer ball. Wait, deep breathing out, and that's it. Punishing that up B a little much. Wait. Oh, mashing that up there at a disadvantage.
Okay.
Yup.
Yeah. He's really good at getting off the ledge with that side B.
Oh yeah, he's like, he can wait. He'll pull it out at the perfect time, and he's not getting hit for it either.
Greninja is kind of getting rolled.
Yeah.
Has Greninja put on any damage?
It has. I've seen it. I'm not sure. I forgot about against Devin.
No, I mean this game.
This game?
When I said that.
Not yet. We'll see though. Really hoping.
All right, and
He died?
oh my god,
That wasn't even deep breathing.
was that even full charge?
No. He just died. He just popped. Oh,
right.
getting the forward airs. Holy shit.
Okay, down
Back
air.
to back.
Down air is not. He's not up there.
Yeah, no, I think it's wraps. Oh, missing that down air. Delaying the back air. This is probably it.
I mean,
Oh, not getting the spike.
we'll see.
There's hope. There's hope. Never mind.
There's a little bit of hope.
Yeah, no, that scared me. That actually scared me. I thought like up smash was gonna rip.
Luigi.
Oh.
All right. Nice.
Yeah, that's a big DK. That is
Yeah, he
All
didn't
right.
start that on the ground.
He's fishing. All right.
At this point, he's
good
probably-
idea. That's
Yeah,
it.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
All right. Good games.
Good luck on your set against Devin, then.
Yeah. We'll see how it goes.